Hello everyone, today I'm playing Pokemon. This is my the first time. Um, yeah, I played it for the first time, but only like Ruby, Sapphire and Emerald. It was pretty cool. And yeah, I found out how to play this. Like that. But yeah, okay, let's do that here. The size and the height. Let me leave it like that. Wait, I need to drag and drop. I'm playing Platinum. Here we are. This. Okay. We got to drag and drop. Oh god, this is my first time. And I don't have a Nintendo, okay? I don't have a Nintendo, but I can play it on my computer. Oh! That is pretty cool. Who is that guy? I'm definitely gonna be a girl. What's really going on? And oh my gosh, that guy was creepy. Oh, Giratina. I do not know why, but I actually like the character Giratina. I feel like people think that Giratina is scary, but I think it looks scary, but it's pretty cool. I actually like it. Hello there. It's so very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, whoever you are. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Oh, who are you? My name is Rowan. Okay? However, everyone just calls me the Pokemon Professor. Before I go any further, is this your first adventure? If you need advice, I'm certainly capable of giving it. I don't use it. Do I click or something? Oh, oh, I paused it. How? Oh, there we go. Oh, you are about to enter a world where you will embark in. Oh, I press X now. I played in the Game Boy thing. I use Z. First of all, I don't challenge people whatsoever. People challenge me, which I do. Would you like to know more about anything else? I think that's it. This world is wildly inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Here, I have a Pokeball. Touch the button on the middle of the Pokeball. Oh, it's a Baniri! We humans live alongside Pokemon as friends. At times we play together and other times we work together. Some people use their Pokemon to battle and develop closer bonds with them. What do I do? I construct research so that we may learn more about Pokemon. Okay. Now, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? Are you a boy or are you a girl? I'm a girl. Alright, so you're a girl. Yes. Tell me what's your name? Um, yeah, I really love the name Jana, but since you guys since I made my YouTube channel named Minty, so I'm just gonna name myself Minty. Let's just lower. Where's the N? There it is. I'm still a bit I'm still a bit confused with stuff. Find the T. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. Yes. The recording video. Awa! Na-recording video ni. Awa! Sorry. Sorry, I had to chase away my dad. Because I don't really like my dad interrupting. Here, I believe is your friend. I do not have a boy. I have a friend named Boy. What might his name be? Barry, Nolan, Roy, Gavin. I'll use Barry. Is that's your friend's name? Yes. Alright, Nancy, the time has come. Your very own tale of an adventure is about to unfold. On your journey, you will meet countless Pokemon and people, of course. I'm sure that along the way you will discover many things, perhaps even something about yourself. Now go on and leap into the world of Pokemon. Thank you, sir. I turned into a very cute person. Pokemon are by our side always. I hope you will understand the meaning of those words. That was the comment left by Proferon, who has returned to Sinnoh from the Kanto region. Let's conclude our special. Yeah, as Pokemon. Brought to you by Google TV on. Okay, see you next week. Same thing. Same channel. Oh, there you are. I meant did you just see the TV? Sure you did. Performs that really guy who studies Pokemon, right? Let's be Pokemon. So if you ask some only one. Oh hey, is this a new PC? Where was I? Alright. Why are you in front of my face? Alright, we're going to see Pokeballs and get some Pokemon. Not some, one Pokemon. Giving you $1 million? What? What kind of kid is he? The ass begging to open state. I'm trying to go downstairs. Excuse me. Oh, is that my mother? Wait, am I Dawn? Bye, Mom, I guess. I really like how you face. Oh, yes, Nancy. Don't go into the tortoise while Pokemon might attack you. It would be okay if you had your own Pokemon, but you don't, so well, take care, sweetie. Thank you. Plymouth Town. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I mentioned there was okay. How does he know about me? Oh, my friend. Oh, Ted. What was that about? Let me see. Going to see I don't have my running shoes. I got two. Oh, jeez. I got something. Where is Pokemon's research? Wow. It's weird that you can't really go into. You can't like go to the. Oh. Again. I know that. How do I go fast? Where's this? Whose house is? Bye. Oh, that was my house. Where's the professor's lab? I need to see the game right now. See. I have to turn off the video. So yeah, goodbye everyone.